What if you could design a beautiful branded chat widget for your website in minutes? No code whatsoever, full streaming enabled, completely compatible with n8n, 100% customizable, rich markdown in minutes. Well, that's exactly what we've built here at No Code Creative. We have built an n8n chat widget designer. So you can come to our website, you can design your chat widget and preview it live. It's full customization. We have dark modes, we have auto mode, which will sync with the customers or the website visitors' preferences with a toggle, which you can also disable if you wanted to. We have got full branding for your company name, your logo, your welcome message, your response time text, and your first bot message, and complete customization of the branding. So you can change the primary colors. We have a gradient here, so you can also change the secondary colors if you see fit. You can change the message bubbles, the dark theme colors, the AI and the user message bubble overrides. You can even use custom fonts, and you can style code blocks, code wrapping, and you can style links, underlines with links if you like, as well as tables. And all of this is 100% previewable within the designer. So if you click send a message here, you can actually see the design in real time. So if, for example, I was to come to the table header and I wanted to change the color of the table header, I can do that. And let's say I want to change the color of the text, I can do that, and you can see it reflect in real time in the designer. So yes, everything is fully customizable, including border radius and whips. And you can even customize the roundness of the chat widget here as well. We have some more advanced features down here. So we have enabled file attachment support. So users can upload any files that you choose. All you need to do is put the extension into the configurator, and you can specify the max file size as well. If we turn this off, you'll see the attachment icon disappears, so fully controllable. We also have persistent storage as well. So whenever a user starts a new session, the session ID is stored within the browser. And this also means that the chat history is stored within the browser as well. So if we enable persistency, and then we can save the transcript locally, and then we can specify how long we want that to be live for. So if we say 30 minutes, after the last message is sent by the user or the AI, after 30 minutes, the session ID and the chat history will then be wiped. This doesn't interact with your chat history in n8n. That's completely separate. You can still control that within n8n as you see fit. And we also have a full screen mode here as well. If you wanted to take up an entire page put on your website, for example, that can be done. Once you have finished designing your widget, you just need to click on connect, enter your n8n webpack URL, optionally specify a route for advanced use cases, come to our download tab, and you can then purchase the widgets there. We have 3 different plans available: basic, pro, and agency/enterprise, which has unlimited domains. Once you've configured this, and if you decide that you then want to reconfigure it later, you can use the configurator at any time, and you can download the code directly from here. Once you actually sign up for a plan, you will be emailed with a license number, which you can then insert into the code if you decide to configure it later on. So to actually see the widget in action, this can also be resized, by the way, and you can place it either on the left or the right side of your website. Press send a message. I'll just say hello for this purpose, and you can see the AI is thinking, and then the message will stream straight back in. We also have support for images within the chat interface. So as you can see, we can preview images within the chat UI. And in this case, it sent it directly to the AI within n8n, who is then summarizing the image for us. So yes, that is the n8n Chat Widget Pro. We have rich markdown. It's a really great chat widget. Do try it out. Keep an eye on our YouTube channel. There'll be some more tutorials coming later about how to actually configure n8n workflows to get the most out of the chat widget. Hope you find it useful.